What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we're going to be checking out the Gabba Goods Budget Dash Cam. I got this for Christmas and I've been wanting to set it up, so I waited a couple weeks, got everything I needed, and now today is the day where we're going to install this bad boy, because why not have the extra eyes when you're on the road? And I guess in case you get in an accident, it's always good to have one of those for proof of insurance and other stuff like that. So we're going to be checking out this dash cam. I guess it's related to a budget dash cam. It's about $15 to $20, I'm sure, if you can get it online. And let's install this thing and see just how good a $15 dash cam can be, and maybe if it's one of the best dash cams for the money. So we're gonna hop outside back in the FRS and install this bad boy. But before we install it, I just want to show you everything that comes in the package. First, of course, you have the Witness dash cam instruction manual. I guess this is how to set it up, how to work, all the features it has. Then we have this USB to connect to this one, and I guess this is to get the footage off of that and into your computer. I had to go pick this one up. I got a micro SD card. I think this is like 32 gigs. So I didn't want to ball out with the 64 gig right away just to see how much storage this thing actually can hold. But you do need to go buy one of these before you can use this. Then we have here the Gabba Goods Dash Cam. I'm not too sure what features it is and all the statistics about it, but all I know it's a small and it looks like it'll fit pretty nicely right under the rear view mirror. Then we have the last two things. We have the suction mount to get it onto the windscreen, and the plug that goes into the cigarette lighter and into the camera so it can power on. So now that we see what all comes with the kit, let's use what we have and install it in the FRS. Alright, let's hop inside and see what we're gonna have to work with to get this bad boy up and running. Okay, so now that we're in the car, we're gonna take the suction mount and just pop it right up on top just to get a starting point. You have to peel off this little bit and for some ASMR action, but let's see if this thing's easy to stick up here. Oh yeah, that was super easy, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, that is very, very sturdy. So now let's figure out how to mount the dash cam onto the end right here. Alright, I don't really know if you can see, but I just slid that on. You have to actually spin the little middle part around and then put it on there. But I may have to move it to this side just for the fact that my little suction cup for my phone is in the way. But that's not too bad. I'm going to try to plug it in. And another problem I've ran into with the FRS is that I have the cigarette lighter there instead of where it normally is up there. So I guess there's going to be a little bit of cordage going on. But we'll give it a shot. I'll plug this in down here, try to figure out a way to wire it up properly, and then see if it turns on. Okay, well, this isn't the most ideal setup, but we have the cord going into the little wannabe armrest area. It's not on right now, but I'm pretty sure if we do turn on the car, this thing should just turn on. There we go. There we go. Can't really see that, but it is projecting an image. We did it. Okay, first of all, that's very, very zoomed in, so I'm gonna play with a couple of settings and see if we can figure out how to do this. Well, I don't really know what happened. I was messing around with all the settings in there because I could not get it to get anything but like super zoomed in, and I don't know if it can hear me right now, so I'm just gonna record myself as I drive, and we're just gonna test out how this thing does on the road. I'm very interested to see. So let's pull out of my little neighborhood area and see what this thing can do. I'm gonna be seeing like how it goes with the stabilization, if you can see plates, and just the overall quality of it. I turned it to 1080p, but that does not look like 1080p. So let's go and check out how this works. Alright guys, I just finished the drive with the Gabba Goods Dash Cam, and I just did the same little segment on this thing, but just in case you can't hear me or it sounds like I'm coming out of a toaster, I'm recorded on here. We're gonna head back inside, plug it into the computer, check out just what we caught on the SD card. I did a couple tests with the distance and the plates, reading them, and then a couple like bumpy tests and a couple speed tests. So let's see what happens. Let's see what we got on the little Gabba Goods Budget Dash Cam. All right, let's pop the SD card out of this, take out the one that was in my GoPro and put that in here. Now let's pull it up on the computer, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and see what we're doing. We're almost at 23,000, boys. So right now we're sitting at a stoplight. I'll put the feed up behind me as I'm talking about this, but I'm pretty sure, I'm looking at the camera right now, you should be able to see the license plate of the car in front of me. It kind of looks like it has I guess a warm Instagram filter on it. Looks pretty red, it's just weird. It looks like it's fall in the camera. I don't know if it's going to translate across when I get back on the computer, but I mean, if it can get the license plate of the car directly in front of me and fit it in the frame, which it is doing right now, I think that that may be okay, because you don't really need like a wide angle. Maybe you do need a wide angle, because what if somebody hits you on the side? Then you're only capturing the guy in front of you, and that wouldn't really help at all. So let's just continue with this drive and see what else happens. Okay, so here I did a test where I had the car in the lane next to me and I tilted the camera to see if I could see the plate, and you can absolutely see nothing. It just looks like a blurry blob rolling down the road. You can see the car, of course, but I did all sorts of distances away from him. There was no seeing that place. You can see the first letters are like LW something, but then I just decided to pass him because that was not working at all. And this is very interesting. This is what $15 gets you for a dash cam. You can see the cars in front of you, but that is it. Okay, here's another example. I'm following behind this car at a regular distance, about a car length, and you can't see the plate at all. So I decided to scoot up just a tad closer, get pretty almost bumper to bumper to this guy, and you still can't see anything. It appears, and you can see that the camera's like shaking because we're hitting bumps here. This is where I tested that. And you can't read the signs we're passing. You can't read the license plates. Absolutely nothing. The glare is so bad. My God. I will not be running this. I'm just going to say this right now. Will not be running this. I just wanted to make this video so you guys don't accidentally buy one of these, because I got it for a Christmas gift. But this is like a toaster on a car. People always say my camera looks like a toaster sometimes. Well, this actually looks like it came out of a toaster, so just keep that in mind before you purchase. Okay, I saw that this thing can rotate all the way around, so I'm very curious if you guys can hear me right now. I just finished the drive with the Gabba Goods Budget Dash Cam, and we're gonna head back inside and see what we got off the drive. I did a couple tests with like distance and reading the plates, so we'll see what happens. Let's hop inside and check out what we got. Alright guys, well that has been my honest opinion and review of the Gabba Goods Dash Cam, Budget Dash Cam. Should you buy one of these? I'll leave that up to you, but for me, I'm saying that's a big fat no. It's probably 1 out of 10 quality. The price point is there, but it's not wide angle, which I feel like is very necessary for having a dash cam. It should be crystal clear to catch all those like split-second things that could happen. A license plate goes flying by, somebody else like hit and ran or something. So you need to be able to see your actual footage on this dash cam, and this is just not cutting it. So I'll not be using this one. If anybody wants it, just drop a comment. I'll give it to you if you want it after this video, but we'll see what happens. I hope you guys enjoyed my honest review of dash cam. If you like these videos, let me know. I've never really done something like this. I thought it was cool and it related to the car, so I just went out on a limb and did it. So let me know what you thought about the video. If you did like it, please smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.